I think it just shows a sense of family here, that because they all go to school here at Thomas Ultican, regardless if we're celebrating or we are going through something hard, that we are going to do it together.
At Thomas Ultican Elementary, the Wildkittens embrace the phrase, "No one fights alone." And today, that means over 450 students have gathered in the gym to surprise one of their own. Second grader Alex Bricker, who's currently undergoing treatment after being diagnosed with leukemia in April.
As a mom, my heart just broke, knowing that he had a hard road ahead.
I felt really sad for him, but I know how strong he is and how courageous he's been through this. And it's been something that when we all found out, that we all immediately jumped to say, what can we do? How can we help him?
And for the school, that meant getting to work, making t-shirts, holding fundraisers, and putting signs up in the building to show their support as Alex's Army. And although he's been back to TUE since his diagnosis, what makes today's visit special is that Alex thinks he's just going to class, unaware that the whole school has turned out for his arrival. Along with a check for over $2,000 for the Bricker family, and a hand-stitched quilt made by his teacher, Mrs. Hassler. Gestures that meant the world to a family going through a difficult time.
It was great for him. He's been talking about it for weeks, wanting to come down and see his friends and see his teacher and all that. It was amazing just seeing the amount of support that he has going through this hard time that he's going through.
But according to the Wildkittens staff, that's just what you do when you're part of a family.
At the end of the day, caring for one another and being kind, even if it's just in something small, it's what it's all about.
Just seeing his face just brought a smile to my face, and I know that that's what we want to do, is show him that he is loved and cared for and he is not fighting alone.
For more information on TUE or the Blue Springs School District, check us out on social media or visit the website at bssd.net.